A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the heart-lung-brain circuit, humanity's sacred energy engine. Ladies and gentlemen, the human being is not an evolutionary coincidence, but a living instrument of precision, an encoded miracle of consciousness. Among all forms of life on planet Earth, humanity alone carries the potential to channel energy not only for survival but for contribution, elevation and resonance with the cosmos. This ability is neither mythical nor exclusive. It is encoded within every individual's biological design gifted by the Master Creator. At the center of this design lies an invisible but powerful circuit, the heart-lung-brain system, the foundational engine of human vitality, cognition and awareness. Modern neuroscience identifies the brain as the central command center of the body, regulating internal systems, processing external stimuli, and generating thoughts, intentions, and actions. Ancient traditions, from Vedic seers to Taoist sages, saw the brain as the gateway between the self and the infinite, an energy hub aligned with universal rhythm. But the brain cannot function alone. It is powered by the heart and lungs, organs that together circulate oxygen, vitality and life force to every cell. This trio forms the primary energy circuit, converting breath into biochemical power and enabling the brain to perform its highest tasks. The human energy system, however, does not stop here. The brain is further powered by other internal dynamos generating mental, physical, emotional, spiritual and aspirational energies. These are not abstract forces. They are measurable through mental clarity, physical strength, emotional balance, spiritual insight, and vision-driven purpose. Yet, none of these dynamos can activate unless the core energy dynamo, the heart-lung-brain circuit, is in rhythmic harmony. This circuit allows humans to receive cosmic signals, amplify them through internal energy fields, and transmit refined energy back to the universe, a cycle that mirrors the universal principle of yajna or sacred offering as described in the Bhagavad Gita. What's the way forward? To live merely as consumers of energy is to remain incomplete. Each human holds within them a master code, a unique design that, once understood and activated, transforms existence from mundane to magnificent. The starting point is the conscious realization of the heart-lung-brain circuit. It is through disciplined breathing, nutritious intake, sunlight, hydration, physical movement, and sleep that this dynamo begins to operate at full potential to generate foundational level of energy. Understanding the human design is not the privilege of a few, but the right and responsibility of all. When one learns to regulate their own system, they begin to master their thoughts, expand awareness, and align with universal harmony. The ancients called this swastha, to be established in the self. Modern science now echoes this truth. Neuroplasticity, cellular respiration, circadian rhythms, and quantum coherence all validate the deeper wisdom of the sages. The heart-lung-brain triad is not just a health mechanism, it is the launch pad of human elevation. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna declares, elevate the self by the self. Do not degrade the self. The self alone is the friend, and the self alone is the enemy. The message is timeless. Each individual is their own redeemer. Within each person lies the architecture to rise, resonate, and return energy to the cosmos. But this journey begins by effectively operating the base dynamo, the heart-lung-brain circuit, with consistency, consciousness, and commitment. To understand this system is to gain not only health but purpose. To live in harmony with it is to awaken energy, awareness, and alignment. In mastering it, humanity does not just survive, it fulfills its highest cosmic function to receive energy from the universe and return it transformed as radiance, knowledge, compassion, and wisdomful creation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.